Now, since the creation of the NHS, that was in 1948, people from all over the world have travelled to Britain to work for the service, but their vital roles have been largely ignored.
Now there's an exhibition which tells their personal stories through photography, film and interactive storytelling. Our reporter Kathy Killick explains.
Hello.
Hi, Gloria.
It's 30 years since Jan and Gloria have seen each other, but they share a bond no woman forgets. Back in 1994, Jan gave birth to her son, and Gloria was her midwife.
We were a team. As soon as you become pregnant and you come to see me, I'm part of that pregnancy.
Gloria made an unforgettable impact on Jan's life, providing care and support at a momentous time. And over her 30-plus years as a midwife, she helped thousands of expectant mothers. She came to the UK from St Kitts in 1968, aged just 18, and fought hard to be trained as a state-registered nurse.
Oh, I look back at it very fondly. I have enjoyed my training, and I was trained very well in the NHS, and I've enjoyed working in the NHS.
Gloria's contribution is celebrated in a pop-up exhibition in Trinity, Leeds called Migration and the Making of the NHS. It tells the stories of the immigrants who gave their working lives to the health service.
The NHS wouldn't really exist from its beginning, but also still now without migration. And a lot of what we learn is, in textbooks and history books, but these are really just stories of everyday people.
A Nigerian nurse was working when the pictures were taken.
While the NHS depended on these new workers, for many life was tough. They faced prejudice and discrimination trying to find homes, and despite being fully trained, some patients were openly racist.
It's a really emotional exhibition. Lots of people have, welled up and cried. Some of the stories, it just brings disappointment that these things have happened. And for me, it makes me want to be part of ensuring that this doesn't continue.
I found that quite shocking, and it really upset me to read that Gloria had had some negative experiences from people who, quite frankly, are just so ignorant. I couldn't have chosen anybody better to be my midwife.
Gloria is rightly proud of her career and has kept her delivery kit. She's part of a living history, at last getting the recognition it has long deserved.
It's a long time coming because we've given so much, but it should be there as a legacy to see how we've helped to build the NHS.
Kathy Killick, BBC News.